from the kitchen, they're calling you. Whip it up, shake it up, make it new. Voices from the kitchen, sing out loud. Turn it into magic, gather round. Tap, tap, listen close. Bang, bang. Flavors talk back.
Welcome to Voices from the Kitchen. Today we're doing fried short pork ribs. Yes, I went to Albertsons, and yes, I got these buy one, get two free. It's the way I like it. It's the way it's going to be, and that's how it is, okay? It's my fancy tool that I was gifted, and it's supposed to be better than a whisk. We shall see. Listen, like, subscribe, and share. Do all of that good old stuff, okay? This is the channel. This is what we're doing. This is Voices from the Kitchen. As you can see, I'm prepping the short ribs. Okay, they already have some seasoning on them. That's cool, whatever. I'll leave it there. Right, there go my, here we go. Gotta get this right. All right, I'm dipping them twice. You know what I mean? Santa checks his list twice. I'm dipping my fried ribs twice, just like that, okay? These are pork. These are fried pork ribs. Yes, I'm dipping them twice. I said that already. And I will continue to dip them twice because who doesn't like twice dipped fried anything, okay? You can call it chicken fried. Look at it. The batter's good. Remember, the recipe is always in the description so that you can make this at home for yourself too. You can follow along, right? I'm showing you how I make this. I'm showing you how beautiful this is. This is the fried pork ribs, okay? The family loves it. It's a fam fave. You know why it's a fam fave? Because I only do it once a month. Why do I only do it once a month? Maybe once every 2 months. They crave for it. There's only a total of 20 days that I cook out of the month. You know why? Because the family's greedy. But look at this. This is for me, the double dog Daria habanero. Let's mix that in with the batter and let's see what we're going to get out of this. All right, I have a whole nother pack. It's about 8 pork ribs. I'm going to pour some of that on top because I want the flavor to sink in, and I like spice in my food. Spice it up? You darn right I did. All right, don't be looking at my tea. HTO is probably the best tea place ever. Ever. I promise you, it is. The back to the fried pork ribs. Don't look. Yes, I use flavors for my popcorn. Don't look at that. Yes, these seasonings that I have here, these are my starting lineups, and I use it, like I told you, dipped twice. They're over there frying. You can see the pan over there. They're boiling. They're sizzling. They're doing what they're supposed to. Shake this up. Make sure I get it all coated right. It's all about that flavor, baby. This is the finished product. Roasted potatoes, regular old macaroni and cheese, and do nothing special to it, but those are the habaneros. If you made it this far, thank you for supporting Netter's Umbrella, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.